Welcome to 30 Day Reviews. I am Justin and I have reviewed Omnishaver before in the past, as well as their little replacement cartridge kit. And today I'm going to go over their hot water tongs. And now you might be saying, what the heck do you need hot water tongs for when you are shaving your head with this? Well, if you're one of those that isn't like me and doesn't shave in the shower, which I personally think that you ought to because it just makes things so much easier, these are probably going to come in pretty handy to help you not burn your fingers. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. This is not a sealed clamshell here. It's fairly easy to open up. On the inside, it's got, please remember to press firmly when you are shaving. Like, honestly guys, that's very important with the Omnishaver. Watch my review if you want to know why. Then it comes with the hot water tongs, protect your fingers. And then it shows how to use the water tongs on one side. And once again, the remember to press firmly. And a little thank you for purchasing card. And you got your little water tongs here. And these are actually fairly genius. It's rather robust. It's made out of a decent plastic. Now, Omnishaver's water tongs is a fairly simple product to use. You really don't need instructions. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You just slide the Omnishaver on there. It locks into place fairly good. I'm pulling on it pretty decent here, guys, and it's not coming out. Now, since you've got the Omnishaver in the tongs, you just simply take it, drop it down into your hot water, which, by the way, don't put this into water over 160 degrees. According to their little pamphlet stuff here, it can probably honestly kind of mess up the Omnishaver, probably deform a little bit of that plastic. So make sure you don't put it in that hot of water. Then once you have your shaving cream on your face, your Omnishaver will be nice and warm. You just got to give it a little shake. Grab the Omnishaver with your thumb and your fingers and simply just give it a little twist and the tongs will release the Omnishaver, and then you can go and shave your head. You can also use the water tongs once you're done with shaving your head and your Omnishaver is all full of hair and shaving cream. Just simply replace the tongs around the Omnishaver and shove it underneath some nice warm or hot running water, and then you're not going to be getting your fingers underneath that hot water. Or simply just put it right back into the water that you used to warm it up with and give it a swirl and it'll clean out very nicely. Now, from my experience using this, well, to be honest with you, I didn't. This is the first time that I've really put it into any water or used it at all, because honestly, whenever I do use the Omnishaver, I just shave in the shower and I don't need to let it sit in some hot water because, well, it's in a hot, steamy shower and I run it under some hot water in the shower before I start shaving with it. However, if you're a guy that likes to shave your head outside of the shower, I highly suggest, if you're using the Omnishaver, go ahead, spend the $9 that this little clip is and get it, because it should make your Omnishaver routine a little bit easier. If you want to pick yourself up the Omnishaver, the clip, go ahead and check out the links down below. If you know somebody that uses the Omnishaver, go ahead and share this review out as well. Until next time, you have a good one.